points with you all. We are hearing everywhere today Corona, Corona, everywhere Corona. No other exists. Only Corona exists here. So it is a very sensitive topic to discuss that during this COVID-19 outbreak, our stress levels are very high from bottom to top. Our health conditions are getting worse day by day. And while I was going through my FB account, I saw a post that 10% people are suffering from COVID-19 and 90% people are afraid of being getting affected by COVID-19. You know that 90% is a very huge. So due to this fear, the stress level are already at its high peak and the people are unable to think analytically. They are lacking the presence of mind. So you will think that why I'm discussing this all, because before we are saying that we are not getting enough time to focus on ourselves. We are so pressurized by our boss, teachers, academics, and blah blah blah. So now, due to this COVID 19 outbreak, we have enough time to enhance our self. And I request that please at least half to 1 hour give to yourself. From 24 hour, you have to give at least 1 hour to yourself. And many of us are facing a stress, anxiety, insomnia. You will think that I have no signs and symptoms of this all which I have mentioned you now, but I make you clear that these are not spontaneous. These all conditions that is mental stress, anxiety, insomnia. These don't show their signs and symptoms spontaneously. They, I can say that these are a sweet pain that we are going to face or feel after a long time. Okay. So regarding this, that how to decrease your mental stress, boost your immunity. We are hearing everywhere that boost your immunity to fight with COVID 19. But are we boosting? Many of us are no. We are spending time in watching web series, movies. We are not caring of our health. We all know that health is wealth. But are we considering our health as a wealth? Think and comment below. So I'm here with a few suggestions that we must apply in our life because this is the time what we can achieve for ourselves, not for others, for ourselves. And this only will help us in future. Now we have enough time to gather knowledge, to build stamina, to increase our speaking fluency, to boost up our creative thinking, our hobbies, and etc. Firstly, I will recommend that we must include yoga. We must make a schedule for 24 hour and give a time slot for yoga. Does it sound awkward? I think perhaps no. Because we know that yoga is trending nowadays, not in India, but in foreign too. Some will think that Oh my god, yoga, where macho buddy? Why will yoga? So I want to say that by including yoga in your life, your macho level will increase from bottom to the top level. Yeah, you heard it right. Yoga is very beneficial for our health, and especially in this situation, because already I have told our mental status is not well, health is not well, and one thing we all know that after this self quarantine period ends, then we are going to put on a very heavy weight. We all know why. Due to sedentary lifestyle which we are adopting this time. I'm not saying you stop watching movie, stop watching web series, stop watching or playing games, but at least give some time to yourself, because I think this is the last or the most important time that we have got enough time. I know that jobs are going online, classes are going online, but in this situation we have to manage. We have to manage. So firstly, I will recommend that yoga is very beneficial. Please give a time slot for yoga in your daily routine. Secondly, I will recommend meditation. Again, OMG. You all will think that Saurav is getting old, suggesting me that why you are recommending me or us this old age practices. But I make you clear that these old age practices are very beneficial for us, and we are young. To maintain your youngness, you must meditate. It will enhance your mental ability, your analytical thinking, and of course, your concentrating power. And one thing I make you clear that I'm not saying that meditation means that you focus on a god. No, meditation. And one more thing, some or many of us think that meditation means that we don't think anything, we stop thinking, which is unnatural, my friend. We can't stop thinking. This is the work of brain, and we can't stop thinking. So meditation is not a stopping thinking. Meditation is focusing on yourself, not on God, not on any. It is not meditation, not related to any religious views. And thirdly, I will recommend start reading a novel. This will help in expansion of your vocab. You will be very fluential in speaking after getting habituated of reading novel. Your sentence making area will get boosted up, and we all know what is beneficial by doing this. And yeah, some of you will say that भाई पहले तू तो कर ले, फिर बाद में रिकमेंड करते रहियो. Friend, I have started doing this. I have already implemented this all in my life, so I have made this video. And since I think since 3rd April, I have started doing yoga meditation.